today. Today we'll be looking at business analytics using Tableau. Tableau is a tool for data science where you can get your visualization with ease. The version of Tableau, there are two versions of Tableau. There are the paid version and they have the public version. In this tutorial, we're making use of the public version of Tableau to do our business analytics. What actually is business analytics? When we practice the, when we practice an act of being quantitative data to make decision, that is business analytics. How we get our data, how to make decision from our data, either a futuristic decision to know or to know what has happened before or to predict. Is all about business analytics to see how things are done in the business using the data we've gotten from the business. A good example of business analytics is when in a store you want to know the rate at which people are buy a particular product. That is business analytic. And whenever you have a data, first thing you should do, you should clean the data, you should put them together, remove the noise value so that you have a better visualization and better analytic as your results. So I'll show you the data set we're using in this tutorial. Before I proceed, I would like to acknowledge the source of this data set, which is Dr. Ibukun Afolabi, a member of the Data Scientists Network. I was privileged to be a beneficiary of the training, of her mentorship. So I really acknowledge her. That's where we got this data source from, the data set from. So as you can see on the screen, you have the data set, and as you see, it has already been imported into Tableau Public, and you can see that the data set has columns of row ID, the order ID, order date, shipment date, and shipment mode. See, it has things like this. So the first thing is you want to know the sales per categories. So this has been done. You see it on your screen here. That first, what we did, we have to created a new sheet. Then on the sheet, you find out that the categorical variables are on one side, while the numeric variables are also on one side. You see these are numeric variables, while these are categorical variables. Numeric variables are those ones that have numbers that you can sum, while categorical variables are those variables that are into categories, like for example, sex. Sex is a categorical variable. That's it has male, female, it's not male or female. But when you talk about numeric variable, talking about the profits, it has numerals. Good. So we proceed. We took the sum because of sum of sales, that's the sales. We placed it on the column. We took the row and the subcategory. If you should come to this subcategory, you find out that you have different things there. If you want to show the filter, you can see the subcategories. Then we place it on the rows. Then this will give us what we need. But actually, to get the colors, we have to put the profit, sum of profits on the column, and for it to have all these text this way, we have to put the profit on the text. Actually, I'm not online at the moment, but let me see if it can give me what I so wish. Okay, so this is just what I have. I'll take this away I'll take this category away. So when I create a sheet, I'll have the sheet this way. So remember what I want to do is the say. So I'll pick the categories, I'll drop it here. Then you see I have the categories. Okay, the different categories. I have the subcategories. Then I'll pick the sales, which is this, and place it on the column. There, you see, I have this. Now, this can give me, it just gives me a bar chart, but I want the profits to be indicated so that I can easily see it through the color coding. So what I have to do, I pick this profit as I pick the profit column and drop it on column. See, and I have a column. Then also, if I want to see the degree of profit or loss in a texture form, I pick the profit and I drop it on text. Then you see I can have this as my profit or loss. So, and Tableau also gives us the opportunity to format. We can format this. We can either format it ascending to descending, or we can format it descending to ascending. So we have this formatted, and I have this formatted, just the way we had it initially. So you see, when you see the color coding, and when you hover your mouse on each of these bars, it gives you what you need. So this was what we did, and also we're able to get this. This is a line graph. We're able to get this from the line graph, and also we did this step that is using a map. Using a map, we were able to show the profit, the sales per state, the profit per state, using the profit per state. Then there's something also interesting in Tableau, which we can see here in the what this what called the world map. We want the states. I want to show the profit per state. You see, the bigger this cross river has a profit of 4,039 naira, while this has 76. So Lagos is bigger than this. You see this? Why the smallest state here, which is Imo State, look at it made a loss minus 225,000. So the size of the state as indicated signifies the size of the profit being made. Okay, this is what we call a bubble chart. Bubble chart. It places the states in different bubbles, and the sizes represent what? The sizes represent the profits. The sizes represent the profits. Then this is a tree map. A tree map, it tells you the sizes also represent the profit, but in this dimension, it's indicated as a square or a rectangle and has different color codes. Different color codes. Then these are actually what we call the shipment mode. We use this to get the shipment mode, just to know the different shipment modes. Then at the end, we're able to get a dashboard. Now, what's a dashboard? A dashboard just helps us to easily visualize what we've done. Remember in one of my tutorials, I put the link here, I showed you how to make a dashboard using Excel. But this one is very easy to make a dashboard using Tableau. Tableau is an advanced tool that helps us for quick and easy visualization. However, you must be able to understand your data sets. You must be able to understand your data set. You should clean your data set, and you should be able to put everything together to get your visualization. I just hope I'm able to explain this. Subsequently, I will start from scratch, and I will be doing this one after the other. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how you can build it. I just showed you the finished product, but the next tutorial we'll build it together. Thank you very much. Please keep watching this channel, so that when the next tutorial is released, you will know. To easily do that, you can just subscribe and click on the notification bell, so that once we upload a tutorial, you'll be notified. Thank you.